Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I think I've done about 21, 22, I don't know, maybe more dailies now. So I've been here every day for the last like three to 4 weeks. They're going to stop soon because there's not a lot that I can get on a daily, and people are just going to get bored. So I'm going to stop it soon. So I'm going to get over the ground now, and I'm going to have a look, see if they start cutting into them front and rear trusses yet. And is it just me, or does it look like there's more pitch being exposed? Are they lifting some of that stuff up off the pitch? I don't know. But I will come back and get important stuff if it does happen, like the pitch getting taken out. Okay, so they've got 2 cranes here together, so they're going to be lifting them steels out, aren't they? What's that there? Yeah, they started. There's one on the ground already. Okay, so let's see how that looks up here. I'm just trying to see where that's come out of. It's come out of here, and there you are, look. So they started this side. They got quite a lot done. Now you can see where the lower tier is going to butt up to the upper tier. So the red seat is the lower tier, and then all this is the upper tier. With quite a lot of remodelling to be going on inside. And suppose cosmetically in this stand as well. Let's get closer in. See right inside now. That's brilliant, that. Yeah. So, as I got told by the lads who'd been let go, I don't know if tonight's the last night of nights or tomorrow night will be the last night of nights, and then it's just going to be day working then. So there's not going to be a lot going on through the night, so it's not worth me coming here every day, if you get me, because there's not going to be much change. But yeah, that's looking interesting. I don't know what they must be connected to the rest of that, mustn't they? Yeah. Come on, Kevin, use your head. Yeah, so they're connected to these, aren't they? Yeah. Ready? That might be coming out in one lift. I can't see it happening while I'm here, and I'm not going to hang around and wait for it. Spent enough man hours in the park lately waiting for stuff to get lifted. Now I've got other things I want to be getting on with. There's work going on the roof. So frequently asked question. Struggled getting that out, didn't I? People ask why I don't put myself on the camera. It's because I think my video goes on too long as it is. So for me to do like an introduction of why I'm here and what I'm doing, everyone knows why I'm here and what I'm doing. I'd rather be about the build rather than about me. So yeah, I just think it'd be better if I kept myself off the camera for now. When I'm doing other stuff, I will be putting myself on camera, like when I say I'm going to do the haunted locations, Liverpool's haunted locations and stuff like that, because there's hundreds. So I'm going to make loads of videos on that. History videos, so anyone got anything that they want to know about that they may not know about, because I've got a great one in mind at the moment. I won't say what it is yet, because it's I don't want anyone stealing my idea, but yeah, it's a good. I found it really interesting when I found out that there's a massive piece of history that you can actually pick up and take home of Liverpool's history. You can just pick it up and take it home. Okay, so I'll let you know what that is when I do it. I'm probably gonna do that in the next couple of weeks, just to practice doing like a documentary style video, as I don't know what that is down there in the corner. It's all, there's something getting done in that corner. So that vomity. Anyone knows, let me know. Yeah, so it's a great little video I've got in mind, and anyone who comes to Liverpool can go to this location and take home this 80-year-old piece of history. Because one day it's just going to be gone, and you won't be able to get your hands on it anyway. So yeah, I personally haven't. That's taking all the scrap metal away there. I personally haven't taken a piece of this history home yet, but when I go and do the video, I will do. I'm going to take a little tiny piece of it. All the seats have now gone. So this seat I'm raffling is going to be live tonight, by the way. So tune in at 7 o'clock tonight. I'll be going live. I'll do the raffle live just so you know, it's all correct and right. I've got no reason to cheat on it anyway. Whoever wins it. Thank you for everyone who's had to go. We've raised nearly £500. So at the time of this going out, it'll be closed. Okay, so don't send any more money into the PayPal, because it probably won't get registered and I'll just have to refund it. Okay, so yeah, raised nearly £500 towards grassroots football, which is brilliant. That'll pay towards kits for the team. Yeah, I think that's all I can say on that. But yeah, no, thank you for everyone that's had to go. And yeah, the seat that I've got is going to be very rare, if I'm being honest, because you saw how many were just on a pitch getting bins and scrapped, and there wasn't that many in that upper tier anyway. So there's only a few of us that have got. If you don't work on site, you haven't got one. It's as simple as that. I was just lucky to know someone who worked on a site who got me a seat, and I was able to raffle it off. Okay, so if you get it, congratulations. 70 people have had to go. Well, over 70 people. It's about 75 to 80 people have had to go. And bought about 250 odd tickets. But when I say it's nearly that's over £500. But when I say we've raised £500, those that haven't done it on friends and family, which I didn't, say do with friends and family, because you might want to claim your money back. So it's fine that you haven't. That's why I didn't mention it. So PayPal have took quite a big cut out of that money for themselves. Okay, that's enough about the raffle now until tonight. Let's see what's going on down here. Yeah, people saying about putting myself on telly, that on the videos, that I'll probably get more subscribers. I don't know if people want to see this mug on the screens, if I'm being honest. I'm quite happy behind the camera rather than in front of it. But yeah, no, thanks for people mentioning that my subscriber base might go up. It could go down, you never know. So it's going well at the moment, so I'll just keep it the way it is. But as I say, when I do the documentary style stuff, then I'll be pretty much in front of the camera as well as behind it. Yeah, so they're doing the cosmetic pieces up there now. Yeah, we're really moving along on this now. People keep asking about delays, right? I had my opinion on this. I got told something ages ago that it was possibly 4 weeks behind. At the very first time I got told it was 2 months behind, but that was around Christmas time, when it can easily be caught up. But the last I heard, and I put this on a video ages ago and I got a load of stick for it, that was 4 weeks behind. And someone else told me that you're looking at the fourth game into the season before Liverpool play a home match, or the 4th week into the season, he says, before Liverpool play a home match. So read into that what you will, okay? That's just my opinion and what I've been told. I think Liverpool will be asking for more games away from home rather than the first game. Okay, unless there's any international breaks in between, then that'll help, and that might only be the 1 game away. But I reckon 2, maybe 3 games away from home before they play a home match. Yeah. There's some guys carrying more. Oh, what's that? What is that? Is that a solar panel? Yeah, solar panel. That's what people have been asking for. Okay, I'm going to concentrate on the roof today because I'll be switching from dailies to maybe twice a week. I might do my last daily tomorrow actually, but we'll just see. Because as you can see, them front and rear what are they called? Trusses. And early out, you know, they've nearly got the rear one out. Let's come back a touch and let's get a bit higher. Zoom right out so I can get my perspectives right. There we go. Okay, so I can zoom right in now and have a better look at the upper tier. Oh, that's something I didn't notice either. They've taken it, yeah. I didn't mention it anyway. They've taken that like a corrugated back wall out as well. See it with the blue numbers on. So that's been removed, as well as the truss section with it. Okay. Then you move up and you get to the seats. Okay. Right guys, gonna leave it there. There's enough covered there to keep people happy for now, I think. Just have another look on the ground, make sure I haven't missed anything. Yeah, we're all done there guys, so yeah, I'll leave it there. Right. One thing I haven't mentioned for a while is, if you like the channel, please subscribe to it. Subscribers have slowed down a little bit. I got like, I don't know, 5,000 in 28 days, something like that I got, while the roof was coming off. And I know, you know, not a lot of people were interested after the roof come off, so that was understandable. But yeah, if you like the channel, there's more future content coming up, and it isn't just going to involve football, it's going to involve all sorts. So if you like it, please subscribe. Looking down to cop. Likes and comments are always appreciated. You never let me down with the comments. I get hundreds of comments, it's brilliant. Oh yeah, and thank you everyone for wishing my son a happy birthday yesterday. I had loads wishing him a happy birthday, and talking about the goal as well that he scored on the commentary too. So yeah, thanks for all that. Put a smile on my face, and he read all the comments as well. It put a smile on his face, so thank you very much for that. But I'm going to leave there. Thanks for watching everyone. As always, keep yourself safe, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.